So hello everybody. To start off with again, I'm in Central California, Zone 9B. As you can tell right now, this is called a Seaberry, or sea buckthorn. There, I believe, the origin is in Siberia, and here's two of them. This is a female, and that is a male. You have to have a male to pollinate females. That over there is a female as well. It broke from shipment, and another little here. This broke, but another one came from the root. So that's that variety, a Star of Altai. It's said to be very sweet. And then I have Orange Energy. This one. This variety is called Orange Energy. From my research online and from the pictures, this looks like it's the most productive of all, but it's probably going to be very sour tasting, and luckily that's very sweet, or unusually sweet is what they say. So these are dormant, and they're starting to open up just a bit. Let's see. There you go. See the buds? They're starting to open up, but see the thorns? And then look at these jagged thorns over here. Jesus mercy. Ooh, that's a little... I'm watching the camera, not my hand, so the depth perception is gone, and I got nailed right there. But the problem with sea buckthorn or sea berries, here's the male, and this is the female, and another female over there. I'm gonna plant that one today. There's a couple problems. One, they cannot handle any shade at all. So let's say this. You can tell this is not that tall. These are radishes over here. I use this as bee food. See all the flowers? Bees are in there right now. I don't usually eat the radish. I just feed the bees. So you see this part, after a while, this is going to get taller and taller, and this is going to be in the shade. All these leaves and flowers will die, even though this part is in the sun. Whatever part is in shade will will turn brown and die off. So none of the plant can be in the shade. Part shade maybe, but full shade it's dead, completely dead. So I gotta figure out a spot to put this guy. I don't want to impede in my walkway here, so I don't want to just put it there because these get pretty big. I can prune it back, but I'm not too sure. So easy spot would be here, but easy spot would be right there. So it'd be female, female, male. But I think I'm gonna have more issues later on if I put it right there. I could put it here, but then when this one that I put here grows, it's gonna shade out those two. I can put that one in the back, but when this grows, it's gonna shade out this one that I planted there. And then I have this dapple dandy pluot here that I keep cutting back every year. And I have my radishes. The easy way to do this is I cut the radish out and put it right in the middle. I don't want to do that either. So I was thinking, what was I thinking? Actually, I didn't really have a plan. I don't plan things out when I do garden. If I think it works, it works. That's why a lot of things, like a cactus over there, my purple tree collards, a fig, a pomegranate, kumquat, dapple dandy pluot, radishes over there, sea buckthorn, sea buckthorn, sea buckthorn, or I'm not too sure where I'm gonna put that. You know, a grape over there. You know, I just put whatever. I mean, you could tell the whole garden, and going around my house to the other side of the wall is more fruit trees, and in the front of the house too. But I probably have almost 80 fruit trees, and I'm in a 6,000 square foot. So I'm gonna plant more because food prices are going up and up. Anyways, that's a side note. I did this so you guys can see, like, where else should I plant this, but everywhere I read online it says to plant these at least 6 feet from each other. This I planted close because I don't care. They can grow together. I could cut them down. It would be easy to plant that right there. But later on, if I have a problem here from space, let's see, it'll be right here. I guess I can do it. Maybe, and I want to be away from the fence. I don't like to have anything next to the fence. You know, you do it once. I don't want to uproot after you plant. You do it once, it's stuck. You don't want to. You better make sure it's the right spot, the right height, the right everything. So I'll do an update video on where I plant this thing. The sea buckthorn or Seaberry Star of Altai, Altai. All right, guys. See ya.